Hey guys, it's Lori. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Amazon unboxing for you. I'm not sure whether to call this like closeouts or steals and deals. I'm not sure how I'm going to title this, but if you follow me on social media, I posted this on both Twitter and Instagram, and I'll go ahead and put my social media right here on the screen for you. You should definitely follow me, because if I get any more of this info, I will definitely be posting to my social media again so that you can take advantage of these deals. I just randomly received an email and I thought, okay, there's no way this works, but it did. And I promised you if I got these packages in the mail that I would show you what I got. So basically some of these were $1 and some of these were like 75 to 90 something % off with the codes that I was sent, that I shared with you guys, and I hope that you guys were able to get some of these deals. Now some of these are going to be closeouts like for forever that are not coming back, and I thought that maybe some of these would never come back, but they are. And so it must have just been a special that they were running, and some of these items are coming back in stock. So I'm going to tell you as of right now whether they're available, and I think maybe they are in certain colors and shades, even if not the exact ones that I'm going to show you. But the bags that I'm going to show you are back in stock, okay? So I haven't really looked at all of these, just one item that I got for my husband that he's been using. Okay, so let me just start with the stuff that was $1. Now, this is from China. It says made in China. Okay, so this would normally be $9.99, and this is for Prime. I think that may be why I got the email, because I'm a Prime member. So if you're Prime, this would be $1, period. No tax and no shipping charges. So straight to me for $1. So for $1, yeah, totally is fine. And this is just a white, like a cinch belt. It's just an elastic band, and it's leather, it looks to be, faux leather on the inside, and then it just snaps together right here. And I've been looking for some of these actually, so I wanted to try it for $1 to see if, you know, this would be the brand that I keep getting. I think they have these in stock in other colors, but I figured since we were coming into some warmer weather, I would go ahead and try this one for $1. So it's got a gold clasp. I think that when I bought it, it originally appeared to be more silvery. Sometimes it's not exactly as you expect, but it is free return. So if I wanted to return this for $1, I could, but I'm not going to, obviously. So this is really cute. They're just sized, I think, like a small, medium, medium, large, I think. And so for $1, I'm totally good with that. And I'm sure, you know, they didn't pay hardly anything for this, the actual seller, but I mean, you know, at a $10 value normally, this is still a really good deal. So that's cute. Then I got some sunglasses that were $1 as well. And let me double check. I think they were also selling for 10 bucks. Yeah, looks like $9.99 is what they were going to sell them for originally. And these did not have the greatest of reviews. I just grabbed them because they were $1. So, and I have a teeny head, ears, and nose, so we're going to see. I don't have high hopes for these, but they're super cute. They're called retro, what are these called? Retro metal frame round cat eye sunglasses. And I mean, for $1, I don't think I can beat it. It comes in this cute little case. And then I got the silver because I'm just that person that, you know, silver hoop. I'm always 90% of the time in silver. And I haven't opened these yet. I wanted to do this with you guys so you guys can see. Okay, so those are wrapped really cute. Actually, these are really cute if they fit me. And they are tight, which is good for me. So if you have a small head, these are going to be good. And if you have a large head, pass on these if they do come in stock. But what? I can't believe they fit me. They fit me. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, okay. They don't even come off of my head. Okay. You guys know I'm a total sunglass person. These are stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. See? Now they are kind of heavy. A lot of people were saying that they're heavy. And they are, but my gosh, they're so cute. Who cares? Yes. Okay. I was looking for sunglasses for vacation, and I have a hard time with these little nose pads inside sometimes, but I mean, they can actually be adjusted fairly well. And I mean, I won't even know what these look like on me until I see them back, but right now I just kind of like them. I'm so excited that I did that. See, now normally I was like, oh, I'm not going to buy those. Those are just not going to stay on my head because of the reviews. And it just goes to show you that you cannot listen necessarily to what people say. And I definitely will put these in a nicer case because, you know, they'll get scratched up or whatever, but I love those. So, okay, I'm super excited about that. Look at the sides of them. Aren't those cute? And the thick bands. Okay. Well, that was totally a score. Okay, so then the next thing that I got was a gift for my husband. And I need to find the price on this one because this was one of the super steals that I wanted to show you guys. I don't even know how I got on this mailing list. I have no idea. I really don't. Okay, here it is. I found it. Okay, it's retailing for $21.99. And with this coupons that I shared with you, I got $15.39 off of that. So then the total before tax was $6.60. No tax and no shipping was added. This is called a leather, what are they calling it? A messenger bag. So this is what it looks like. I did not expect this to be, I'm kind of tripping. I don't know how I got these, but I hope they keep coming to me. So the back has a zipper, and you know, I think he's got some like medications in there and stuff. And then this is like a faux buckle, but it does unbuckle should you want to, but it's just a snap, and it has a place for, I think you could fit like an iPad mini in here. We have a regular iPad, but he puts CDs and, you know, like cords and cables. He's using this for a bag to carry to work because we work at a church. I'm sure you guys probably know that by now, but then it has a pocket behind that and then a major zipper at the top. And then it's just got compartments like for your phone, for your wallet. It's got pins, you know, and then just a huge pocket. And I think he puts his iPad actually down in here, so it does fit a normal iPad in a case. And so I'm just kind of, I don't know. I just didn't expect this to show up and be right for $6.60, but it's really amazing. So yeah, I don't know. It's a crossbody, and the strap is plenty long enough, and it's even leather on the strap. It was sold out. It was sold out for a long time. And I thought, okay, well, if all these are going to be, you know, just never come back in stock, what's the point for me to show you? But they're coming back. So it was just kind of some kind of a special deal. And the brand on this is, I want to say Beige. That's how I would pronounce it. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but that's what it looks like, and that's stamped across the front. So yeah, and then there's one, so he's been carrying that. I saw that one. That was a Valentine's gift. And then I got one more. And I haven't looked at this, so excuse the papers. This is a true unboxing because I wanted to see if this is, okay. This is the most expensive thing that I got. And it's a backpack. And it's in stock, so, and it comes in a carry case, so that's kind of exciting. And this is by the same brand, so I'm sure that has something to do with it, but this is by Beige as well. Okay, this is really stinking cute and heavy. want to make sure I tell you right. Order details. Okay, getting there. Okay, it sells for $29.99. And I got it for $9. It's craziness. $9, no tax and no shipping. So this came to me for $9. And this is called a punk style leather backpack studded travel bag. Okay, and it's really super cute. Okay, it's heavy and it's got just kind of like that distressed leather and these really cute like black grayish studded, what do you call those? What would you say those are? They're just studs, I guess is just the way to say it. It seems to have a zipper here, a black zipper, and the pocket goes all the way down. And then it's got two pretty deep pockets on both sides. The shoulder straps are adjustable, and then it's got the little hook top of the backpack. And my goodness, this is really nice. Can I move over this way? This way? Okay. See if I can show you the inside. Is that okay? It's got like this elastic snap to keep this is like a place for your laptop, whatever, pad, tablet, whatever. The zipper goes all the way across, and it's actually about this deep. So, you know, like pen, pencils, whatever, I guess, whatever you want to put in there. Sunglasses. And then, trying to see what this is. Jasmine. It's got jasmine in it. It goes all the way down. I'm trying to show you, but I think, can you see that okay? It goes all the way down, and it's like folded in because it's not used to being sat down, but I was gonna see if I could put something in it. I don't have anything, but it's normal standard size, but it has pockets for phones. Again, it has like a metal, nonetheless, latch for keys, and a phone holder, pens and pencils, and then the big pocket just goes all the way down to the bottom. So, yeah, I mean, I'm kind of excited. I think this is super nice. Again, I don't know how I got these or why I got that email, but I did post it, and I hope that you guys were able to take advantage. I think that's it. There were more things on there. There were more codes that I did not use, but I didn't want to get something that I just didn't need. This is all stuff that I would use, and because I honestly just didn't even think that these orders were going to go through, period, and I honestly didn't think that they were even going to show up, and they did. So, yeah, the codes are still in my social media if you want to follow me at Lori Brainard 1. Make sure you put the 1 because that is my public accounts, and you can still see the photo there, and the codes are still there. I don't know if the codes are still good. It seems to me that they were more of like a lightning deal, and again, some of these are in stock and some of them are just now coming in stock, so you know, it's not going to hurt to try the codes. I'm not entirely sure. And it seemed like it was just allowing me to use the code once. So it's like a one-time deal. I couldn't buy more than, I think, 1 or 2 backpacks, etc. Like I couldn't buy 10 of the same thing. It's just like a one-use kind of a code is how I saw it. I'm not 100% sure. Again, if I get them in the future, I'm going to keep posting them on my social media. So please go follow me there because I don't want you guys to miss out on something like this. This is like, you know, 70, 90, and 100, you know, like, I mean, literally, like, these were selling for 10 bucks, 10 bucks, 30 bucks, 25 bucks, and I think everything that I got ended up being under $20, right around $20 for everything that I got. So yeah, I guess we'll just call this like Amazon coupon codes. Do they work? Yes, they do if you get them and they are legit. So I will keep posting. I'm just gonna wrap it up here because I'm not really sure what to tell you, but just follow me. If I get any more, I'll share them with you because I want you guys to get as much savings as I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys thought about this. Because I think it's pretty stinking amazing considering that I'm already a Prime member. So no shipping, no tax, and whatever the price of the coupon says it's going to be is how it came to me for that amount. So you guys leave me any comments down below. I'm sure you guys are going to have questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Again, it was just an email that popped up that I decided to try and take advantage of, and it worked just splendidly, and it didn't last very long. So if you see that again from me, make sure you do it quick because they are kind of a lightning deal, first come first serve, and they're gone lickety split. I mean, there was more glasses that I wanted in a different style, and they were already sold out before I could get my codes in. I have, you know, pretty fast ordering system set up because I use Amazon so much. And yeah, so if you see these, do it lickety split or they'll be gone. But send me any comments, questions down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed because I'm stinking excited about this, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.